So this is our fourth day out of 365. So for this run, wala tayong target na time or pace. Kasi definitely dapat talaga rest day ko. Pero fourth day na kasi ito, kaya run pa rin tayo kahit pa paano. So at least 5K siguro sa kaya kong pacing. So let's go. Run for your life. First kilometer gone 6:26. Ang time natin 2K guys, 6 minutes and 4 seconds. 3K guys with 5 minutes and 55 seconds for our third kilometer. Let's go. Fourth kilometer guys, 6:33 ang ating oras. 5K guys, 6 minutes and 33. 6K guys with a time of 9 minutes and 1 second. So this is our fourth day out of 365. I hope I encourage you to run and be healthy for this year 2025. So don't forget the hashtag pa rin, hashtag run for your life. Let's go.